Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Leap Podcast, where every lesson helps you grow. I'm Rose.
And I'm Jake. Hello, everyone.
Jake, how are you today?
A little confused, actually. Again,
Again?
my landlord called about my new apartment.
What did he say?
He said, you'll get used to the noise from the street.
Okay.
And I thought, get used to it? Like, go and get it? Where is it?
Oh, Jake.
I actually asked him, get it from where?
What did he say?
There was a long silence. Then he said, you'll get used to it over time.
Get used to means become comfortable with something, Jake.
Wait, seriously? It doesn't mean go and get something?
Not at all. Completely different meaning.
This is a get problem, isn't it?
You guessed it, and that's exactly our topic today.
Please tell me it's not 11 or 12 again.
A little smaller today. 9.
9 surprising uses of get?
9. And I promise by the end, you'll never confuse your landlord again.
My landlord will be so relieved. Let's go.
But first, a small request.
Yes, if this episode helps you, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to English Leap Podcast. It is free and it helps more learners find us.
And share this with a friend who also confuses their landlord.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, Jake, use number 1, the classic meaning. Get means to receive something.
This one I know. I got a letter yesterday.
Perfect. Something arrives and now it's yours.
I got a message from my sister this morning, too.
Great example. Use number 2, and this one surprises a lot of learners.
Go on.
Get can mean to become.
Become, like changing.
Exactly. It gets cold in winter. She got angry.
Oh, like I'm getting hungry right now.
Perfect. A change happening right in front of us.
My stomach agrees with that example.
Use number 3, a very important one.
What is it?
Get meaning to understand.
Like I get it now.
Exactly. Or do you get what I mean?
Oh, I say that all the time without thinking.
It's one of the most common uses in daily conversation.
I finally get why my landlord was confused, too.
A nice, honest example. Use number 4, very practical for daily life.
What is it?
Get meaning to arrive.
Like, what time do you get home?
Exactly. Or, I got to the station 5 minutes early.
I always get to places either too early or too late, never on time.
A very honest confession. Use number 5. This one is useful with other people.
Go on.
Get meaning to fetch or bring something.
Like, can you get me a glass of water?
Perfect. You're asking someone to go and bring something back.
My cat does the opposite. She asks me to get things for her.
A very demanding cat. Use number 6. Everyone does this every week.
What is it?
Get meaning to buy.
Like, I need to get some milk from the shop.
Exactly. Very natural, everyday English.
I got a new pair of shoes last weekend, actually.
Nice. Comfortable ones, I hope.
Very comfortable. Terrible color, but comfortable.
Priorities, Jake. Use number 7, a warm one about people.
I'm ready.
Get along with someone, meaning to have a good relationship.
Like, my brother and I get along really well.
Perfect example.
We didn't always. When we were kids, we fought constantly.
And now?
Now we get along great. Mostly about food, though.
Family, right? Use number 8. Let's solve your landlord's mystery, Jake.
Please, I still feel a little silly about that call.
Get used to something, meaning to become comfortable with it slowly.
So, you'll get used to the noise means
You'll slowly feel comfortable with the noise over time.
no shopping trip needed, just time and patience.
Exactly, Jake. Very calm, actually.
I feel much better about that phone call now.
Use number 9, our last one, a healing one.
What is it?
Get over something, meaning to recover from something difficult.
Like, it took me a week to get over my cold.
Perfect. Or, she finally got over her fear of flying.
I'm still trying to get over my fear of speaking English on the phone.
You're getting over it more every episode, Jake.
9 uses. My brain needs a small break.
Small word, big job. That's get for you. Jake, let's put this into a real scene.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine a job interview. The interviewer says, "What time can you usually get to the office?"
Use 4. Arrive.
Then she says, "You'll get a full schedule on your first day."
Use 1. Receive.
Then she says, "Do you think you'll get along with the team?"
Use 7. Relationships.
Then she says, "It might take a week to get used to our system."
Use 8. Getting comfortable.
And finally, "Do you get what this job really involves?"
Use 3. Understand.
Jake, you found 5 uses in one small interview scene.
Get really is hiding everywhere, isn't it?
Once you notice it, you can't stop noticing it. One more scene, Jake, since we're already talking about your apartment.
Oh no, here we go.
Your friend says, "Let's get some boxes for the move."
Use 6. Buy.
You say, "Can you get that box from the top shelf for me?"
Use 5. Fetch.
Your friend says, "You're getting tired. Let's take a break."
Use 2. Become.
You say, "I finally got over the stress of moving."
Use 9. Recover.
And your landlord says, "You'll get used to the new neighborhood soon."
Use 8 again. Full circle.
Jake, that's the whole story, from confusion to understanding.
I think get just followed me through my entire move.
It follows all of us every single day. Jake, let's practice. I'll give you a sentence.
Okay, test me.
Can you please get me a glass of water?
Can you please get me a glass of water?
Perfect. Natural English. It's late. What time do you usually get home?
What time do you usually get home?
Excellent. Don't worry, you'll get used to the new schedule soon.
You'll get used to the new schedule soon.
Perfect, Jake. You really understand this now.
I think I'm officially a get expert now. A getpert.
Okay, Jake, we've done this joke twice already.
3rd time's the charm. It's basically our sign-off now.
Fair enough. I'll allow it. Okay, Jake, time for Word Corner.
5 more words today?
Yes, words to help you talk about learning itself. The word is adapt. A-D-A-P-T. Adapt. Adapt means to slowly change and become comfortable with something new. For example, it takes time to adapt to a new city. Or, I'm learning to adapt to speaking English every day.
I'm adapting to my noisy new street slowly.
Perfect use, Jake. The word is recover. R-E-C-O-V-E-R. Recover. To recover means to feel better after something difficult. For example, it took her a few days to recover from the flu. Or, I recovered from my nervousness after the first minute.
I'm still recovering from that awkward phone call.
You'll get there, Jake. The word is familiar. F-A-M-I-L-I-A-R. Familiar. Familiar means something you know well, not new or strange anymore. For example, this word sounds familiar to me now. Or, the new office already feels familiar.
Get feels much more familiar to me now, honestly.
A great use of the word, Jake. The word is instantly. I-N-S-T-A-N-T-L-Y. Instantly. Instantly means immediately, right away, with no waiting. For example, I understood the joke instantly. Or, she instantly felt more relaxed after the walk.
I did not understand get used to instantly. It took a phone call and this whole episode.
Fair and honest, Jake. The word is puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Puzzled. Puzzled means confused, not sure what something means. For example, I felt puzzled by his strange question. Or, she looked puzzled, then suddenly understood.
Adapt, recover, familiar, instantly, puzzled.
All 5, Jake. Wonderful. Now, say it simpler. Kind thoughts for language learners.
I think I need this after my landlord story.
Someone says, "I'll never get better at English." Say it simpler. I am getting better. Slowly, every single week.
That already feels calmer.
Someone says, "I always misunderstand people. I feel stupid." Say it simpler. I misunderstood one thing. That's a normal part of learning.
My turn. Someone says, I'm afraid to ask questions in class. Say it simpler. Asking a question means I'm paying attention and I want to learn.
Beautifully said, Jake. Someone says, I feel embarrassed when I don't understand a joke. Say it simpler. I didn't get the joke this time. Maybe I will next time.
Someone says, everyone else understands faster than me. Say it simpler. I understand at my own pace and my pace is enough.
I really love that one, Jake. One more. Someone says, "This phone call proved I'm bad at English." Say it simpler, "This phone call taught me a new phrase." That's real progress.
I actually feel proud of that phone call now, honestly.
You should, Jake. You turned confusion into a whole lesson. Okay, Jake, let's review our 9 uses.
Deep breath, here we go.
1, 2, and 3.
Receive something, become a change, and understand.
4, 5, and 6.
Arrive somewhere, fetch or bring something, and buy.
7, 8, and 9.
Get along with, good relationships, get used to, become comfortable, and get over, recover.
Jake, all 9 perfectly.
And I finally understand my landlord completely.
What will you tell him next time?
Don't worry, I get it now. I'll get used to the noise soon.
A perfect ending to the story. Well, that is all the time we have today.
9 uses, 1 small word. What a journey.
Thank you so much for listening to English Leap Podcast.
Yes, thank you everyone for growing with us.
Please subscribe to English Leap Podcast
And give this episode a like.
and share it with one friend.
Maybe a friend who also argues with their landlord about vocabulary.
Here's your challenge for this week.
Try to use 3 different meanings of get in real life.
Get some groceries, get home on time, get used to something new.
And notice how often get quietly does its job.
Now, our question for today.
Yes, please write in the comments below.
Which use of get surprised you the most today? For example, I didn't know get over meant recover.
Or, I always thought get used to meant going shopping, like me.
We will read every comment.
Everyone, I promise.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Keep growing every day, one step at a time.